When it comes to the best Jeep wheel spacers, always choose a general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use process that has been proven to be safe. With such Jeep wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your off-road adventures with peace of mind. Going off-road with Jeep wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end off-road wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Jeep wheel spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and straightage. The resulting wheel spacers has a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Jeep wheel spacers are safer and more reliable for off-roading. They are bolted to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub, spacer, wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS bolts on Jeep wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to the highest quality studs in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacers kits are delivered with SGS and TV certifications. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to the rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Jeep wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premier appearance, but also turns behind first. This means that anodized Jeep wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.